Good morning.
Good morning.
We're back on it. We're not back on the yacht. This is our last morning on the yacht. We're leaving the yacht. We're saying goodbye to the yacht in Quiberon, where the weather has been rather interesting. Quiberon. Well, the weather has been rather interesting. Lots of rain, very windy, very bouncy, boinging around all over the place.
Some sunny.
It's very sunny this morning. So we're heading inland to Messac.
Yes, I'm sure we're pronouncing it wrong.
We're butchering the French language here.
The French person didn't know what I meant when I said it.
And we're picking up another boat. We're going to go cruising on this one. A little boat. Looking forward to it. How about you?
I'm very excited.
Let's
We'll
go.
do some cruising.
Let's go cruising.
Hi, we're Lee and Katrina. We live full-time on our 60-foot floaty home called Narrowboat PuraVida. But we're going to swap this boat
For this boat, we'd love it if you joined us as we explore some of the waterways of northern France.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow along on our journey.
Hello, permission to come aboard?
Come on, you got your flash on.
Oh, always got my flash on. Well, we've arrived. We're here. We've got it.
Boat for the next week.
Our boat for next week. We've hired a boat, Capri. Give you a tour in a bit, but right now I think it's time to go for a little cruise. Been looking forward to this for a long time. The weather is gorgeous.
Yay!
Fancy cruising?
Definitely.
Let's go. It feels really big, but it's actually really small.
Yeah, the fun is just that.
Yeah. It feels really wide. Just going to leave the marina onto the river, and we're going to turn left.
Oh my goodness, it's huge.
That'll do.
It's huge.
I felt like we're in the ocean.
We
It's
are.
only going to get bigger when we get towards Lagasi.
Okay.
It looks like we're coming up to the first lock of the day. It's the centre line.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going a bit forward.
Turn in, Joe. So we've just come up to the first lock of the day, which is behind me just there. All the locks on this part of the navigation in France are all manned by lock keepers, except they have a lunch break between 12:30 and 1:30, and it's 1 o'clock right now, so we've got half an hour,
So we've just moored up our new boat on the lock landing. Very small lock landing. We've got a very small boat, so I wonder how the big ones deal with it. But anyway, let's give you a bit of a tour of the boat. Okay, so we board the boat normally by stepping onto the little sort of platform here and then going onto the back. So we'll just do that now. Step onto the back, and the first thing is this little outdoor space, which is quite nice. We're sitting in the sun. It's very sunny today, both me and the skipper in t-shirts. And then we go through these like French doors type thing, and this is the wheelhouse, or the skipper's bedroom. She doesn't know that yet. Obviously that's where we steer from, so it's inside steering, but we've got the roof open, so I generally sort of step on that and stick my head out there and I can see where I'm going properly then. And then so that's the driving side, and that's the navigator's station there, where we've got raisins. Yeah, and a map. We haven't looked at the map yet. Skip says she has, but she hasn't. Let's wander down below.
Your skip.
Oh yeah, I signed a skipper on this one. As we come down, the first thing on our left is a little galley. It's quite compact, but it's perfect for what we want. We're only on board a week, so that's okay. And then the other side we've got this little dinette. It's quite comfortable. And then I've got my drones. Hopefully we'll get some good drone shots. Hopefully, in fact I might do one now. And then coming through, you've got a little bathroom. Very nice. Compact again, but perfect for what we want. And then through into the bedroom, which needs to be made. We haven't made it yet because we're too excited about cruising. So we like, do the boring jobs later. Let's do the fun stuff now whilst it's lovely and sunny. And now right, Skip. It's lock time!
Yay! The keeper is back from lunch.
One of us might need to go onto the bow to hold the bow line.
In the lock?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see when we get him. The locks in France are quite different to what we used to back home, and we were concentrating so much on what we were doing we actually forgot to film. Oh no, the skipper is driving!
Not the skipper, I keep telling you. The skipper. They're quite hard to see these people. Just coming up to our second lock, and this one, like the last one, is a special one, isn't it?
Why?
Because it's remote controlled.
Oh yeah, they control the locks, the remote controls.
Apparently it's just these two though, which is a bit of a shame because it was quite exciting.
I think it's open.
Pardon?
I think the lock is open.
Is the lock open? I no idea. I can't even see it.
we're on the River Vilaine, I think. Again, I'm probably completely butchering that. And we've only just picked up the boat. We've only had it, what, hour and a half maybe?
Yeah.
And that includes a half-hour stop at the lock. We've done 2 locks now. We're heading for a place called St Anne on Vilaine, or that's what the English translation is. That's tonight's stop. Hopefully get some food, maybe a quick bit of shopping. And there's somebody in the river ahead in a dinghy.
Oh.
Yeah, let's pass the dinghy. See if they're okay.
Right by the bridge.
Right by a cool looking bridge. I think they're fishing.
Just seen another sign on this bridge up ahead. And for about the 3rd time so far in a short trip, I've had to look at the key and find out what it means. So this is this one.
Bonjour.
Forbidden to pass outside area indicated. So we think we've got to go between them basically.
Those fishermen are powered by fins.
What?
They've got their feet in the water and they're just kicking.
That's so cool.
That's really cool. I love dinghy. Fins, flippers.
You look like a Mon Calamari.
It's a trap!
We've got our first red channel markers. So far we've only had green ones. So these are red, so we're going downstream, so we have to keep them to our right. And then when you're going upstream, you keep them to your left. And the opposite for green. Hopefully I got that right. So, quickly show you where we are hoping to get to today and where we started. We started here, which is Capri, something like that. And then we've come through one lock there, one lock here, down here. And then on this page, no more locks today, and we're hoping to stop here. St Anne's Vilaine.
On the actual river?
Yeah, on the river, not in the middle of the town, obviously. So there, that's the plan.
Don't jump, Jenny! Don't jump!
Thought I'd go for a swim. Portside pub.
Portside 2, dearie.
Portside 2?
Portside 2, all hands to mooring stations. Portside 2 now, what I say?
Panic, panic.
No need to panic, just hold on bloody tightly.
Brace, brace.
There we go, that's today's cruise over, all moored up behind us just there. Yeah, joint effort I think. But we've moored up just by like a little French eatery place. I was going to call it a pub, but I don't think a French pub's a thing. I don't know, but there's also a little town behind there with a shop, supermarket and stuff, so we're going to get some shopping ready for tomorrow, grab some food and chill.
And then hopefully book a table.
Yeah, book a table for some food.
And
It's glorious weather, it's been a lovely day for cruising. Big bright sun behind my head. It's been absolutely fantastic, so thank you so much for watching.
thank you. Oh, I am in the picture.
You are in the picture. And don't forget to join in next time when we continue down the river onto a canal. Don't ask me names, I don't know, I've not looked. No, but we are going on the canal and then we're going on another river, across the lake to another town. And yeah.
And then after, we don't know.
Lots of French cruising fun. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks, bye. Thanks for watching our first day of French cruising.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow along for more.